Okay, so let's continue on with lesson 14.2. 14.2 talks about media measurement and rates, and our objectives for this lesson are to list the components of media measurement, identify how advertising costs are measured, and describe how media rates are determined. Media planning is the process of selecting advertising media and deciding the time and space in which the ads should appear. To create a media plan and select the right medium to use, advertisers address three basic questions. Can the medium present the product or service in the appropriate business image? Can the desired customers be targeted with the medium? And will the medium get the desired response rate? Effective media planning can help a business project the desired image to the target market. Many businesses develop advertising by hiring advertising agencies. An advertising agency is a business that specializes in developing ads and ad campaigns for its clients. An ad campaign is a series of ad messages that share a single idea and theme. Ad agencies vary in size, from small agencies that serve regional markets to large international firms. Media planners are concerned with the correct medium to use and its costs. They are also concerned with how to measure an ad's overall effectiveness. An effective ad will help raise a firm's sales. To understand media measurement, you need to become familiar with several key terms. First, the number of homes or people exposed to an ad is called the audience. A single exposure to an advertising message is called an impression. Frequency is the number of times an audience sees or hears an ad. Cost per thousand, abbreviated CPM, is the media cost of exposing 1,000 readers or viewers to an advertising impression. The M in CPM comes from the word mille, which is Latin for 1,000. Media audiences. TV audience measurement is based upon diaries and viewer data collected by the Nielsen Media Research. The Nielsen organization takes a sample of TV viewers in more than 200 markets. Arbitron Inc. uses listener diaries to measure radio audiences in more than 260 markets. Online audiences are measured through surveys and computer software tracking systems. Knowing the potential audience, how frequently your ad will be seen, and its CPM can tell you if the rates charged by various media are right for your ad budget. Of course, Nielsen Media Research and Arbitron Inc. are United States-based companies. I am not familiar with the Korean version. To reach customers, advertising uses a set format that is defined in terms of time, such as a 60-second TV or radio ad, or space, a half-page newspaper ad perhaps. Media costs vary greatly, not just with the type of media, but also with the geographic location and audience. A media rate or advertising rate is the amount of money it costs to display or broadcast an ad. It is separate from the amount it costs to make an ad. Ad rates are determined by several factors: the size of the ad, the number of people it reaches, how often it appears, when it appears, and where it is placed. Ad rates for newspapers and magazines are based upon circulation or the number of people who buy them, and audience, the number of readers per issue. An advertiser usually pays a rate for every 1,000 people, CPM, a newspaper or magazine reaches. The size of the ad also affects the cost. Newspaper and magazine ads are sold by the inch on a page. A column inch is an area that is 1 column wide by 1 inch deep. If a newspaper quotes a column inch rate, multiply the number of inches by the number of columns. This gives you the total number of column inches. Then multiply the total column inches by the rate. For example, if the rate for a column inch is $17, then an ad that measures 4 inches long by 3 columns wide will cost $204. $17 times 4 inches times 3 columns is equal to $204. Magazine rates are based on circulation, the type of readership, and production techniques. Premium position refers to an ad placement. Ads placed in prime positions, such as on the back cover or inside the first page are more expensive to buy. The cost of TV and radio ads depends on the size of the audience, the reach of the station, the time of day an ad is broadcast. Prime time is the time period when network TV or radio audience is the largest. TV audiences are usually largest between 7 p.m. and 11 p.m., when most viewers are at home. For radio, prime time on weekdays is during the morning or afternoon hours, also called drive times, because people are driving to work and from work. Internet ad rates. The cost of internet advertising is based on the type, size, and format of ads. Types include banner ads, rich media enhanced banner ads, and pop-up ads. The length of time an ad runs also affects the price. Like newspaper and magazine ads, internet advertisers pay a certain amount for every 1,000 people who get the ad. Rates vary based on the volume of monthly page views. Paid search ads are internet ads that online advertisers bid on for search engine queries. The advertisers pay a fee to the search engine whenever someone clicks on the ad. The advertiser that bids the highest for a particular keyword has its ad show up first on the list of ads next to the search results. For example, go to Google and type in Philippines vacation spots, and you will see several places advertised at the very top before your search results, as well as on the right side of the page. Those are considered paid search ads. This concludes Chapter 14.